to remove or delete a region or polygon from a bigger polygon or another polygon, here's the tool you can use. Just go to the arc toolbox, click on the analysis tools, click on overlay and click on erase tool. Here in input feature you need to give the bigger polygon or from which you want to delete a region. And in erase feature, as you know, in erase feature, as you guess, in erase feature you need to give a polygon or a shapefile which you want to remove from another polygon. And you can also set a tolerance here. I'm going to set it at 0. Click OK and just wait for the results. So as you can see, now this polygon by removing this region from this polygon, it results in this polygon. It is another shapefile which is created by the ArcGIS, and it deletes the region which I give as input. So thank you and subscribe.